Soil Science in Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. Right now I'm working in Indian Institute of Farming Systems Research, Modipuram, Meerut. I have been selected in ARS examination 2013. Then I joined ARS in 2015. 1st January 2015 I joined ARS services, went to Naram, and then after completing the NARM training, FOCARS 101, I joined Indian Institute of Farming Systems Research, Modipuram, Meerut. Other than this, about my education, I completed my graduation in agriculture, BSc in agriculture from Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology, Kanpur. Then I pursued my master's in soil science from Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. Later on, I pursued my PhD also from Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. So basically, my purpose of coming live today is to interact with the students, those who have completed their master's degree, and also those who are pursuing their PhD degree, and those who have applied for the ARS 2025 examination. So if we talk about the ARS examination, since last 2-3 notifications, SRB has already combined the ARS, then STO, which is the Senior Technical Officers posted in different institutes, and then the SMS, Subject Matter Specialist. Those who will be selected as Subject Matter Specialist, they will be posted in different KVKs of ICAR. So we will talk, because you already knows, those who have already applied, they already knows that the ARS Prelims examination is commencing on 12th and 13th November 2025. You have already got your admit cards. Those who have not downloaded their admit cards, please download it. Don't wait for the last minute. Just download your ARS admit card for prelims examination. You have only 6 to 7 days to go your examination, different subject wise. There will be 4 shift days. This time ICR is conducting the examination in 4 shift. So now we will talk about that, what kind of precautions you have to take during your prelims examination, because this is the first stage of your success. If you will not selected in prelims examination, then you won't be able to appear in the mains and the interview. So the basic purpose of my today's video is that what precautions you have to take during your prelims examination. If we talk about the prelims examination, this will be of multiple choice examination. So there will be multiple choice questions which you have to, and then already SRB is conducting online. So during our time, this exam was conducted offline, and we need to fill the OMR sheet, and after checking the OMR sheets, we will be qualified. You will be qualified. But right now, ICR is commencing this examination, conducting this examination online. So this is also good. So now I will tell you that what precautions you have to take during your prelims examination. So first of all, when you are going for the ARS examination, please be reach well in advance to the center. Suppose in your admit card it is mentioned that you have to reach the center at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So you please be reach at 8 a.m. Plan your trip accordingly. Those who are already in Delhi, like those who are studying in IRI, since our time there was a tradition that IRI Student Union PGSSU arranged the bus based on the contribution. They arranged the bus, and then we used to go to the centers. But this is the tradition for a particular institute, not for all. So those who, suppose students, those who are living in Tamil Nadu, so their center is in TNAU also, TNAU, so there is no problem. So basically the students, those who are living in the same cities, they don't have much problems because they will reach well in time. But the students, those who are living in other cities and have, suppose like if I talk about me, suppose take my example, I have applied the center in Meerut. I am in Meerut and I have applied the center in Delhi. So, or my examination time is 9 to 12, suppose. So then I have to reach the centers 8 a.m. So I have to reach 7:30. Well in advance. Plan accordingly, or if possible, you have the stay arrangements, then go one day advance to your examination center. So it won't create any panic, because it is very important to appear with peace mind, calmful mind in your examination. Now coming to the exam, I will tell you 3-4 things. You already knows, but I'll tell you the 3-4 things which are really will be really helpful for you. First of all, divide your paper in 4 parts. When you are opening the computer, just go through the paper. When you are going through the paper, tick most easiest questions first. The questions which you have confidence that these are correct in first instance. So first of all, attempt these questions. After attempting these questions, then go for second round, easy questions. Then take these easy questions. I think in that much you will complete the 30 to 40% questions. Then go to little bit difficult questions, attempt these difficult questions. Then go for the most difficult questions. Now the benefit is that once you will complete the most easiest questions in prelims examination, and suppose your preparation is very good, and in first attempt you have attempted the 70 questions. Suppose there are 100 questions in the examination and you have attempted the 70 questions in first instance. It means you have already gone through the examination, gone through the minimum score. Suppose it is 45% for the general category, then 35 category. I exactly don't know about the recent time. During our time, it was 50% for general, 45% for OBC, and 40% for reserved categories. So you should first attempt the most easiest questions. Then in second attempt, when you have appeared these, so go through and don't try to attempt. If you are not confident, then please don't try to attempt the 100% questions. Otherwise, what will happen? There will be negative marking and it won't help you. So you attempt the questions which you are confident. Then after attempting these, because earlier we divided our parts in five parts, because we had to fill the OMR sheets. But now it's very easy that after attempting the full paper, just you have to submit the question papers in the computer. So easily take the questions. Now, like I will talk about the soil science. It's a simple examination. This is for all, but because I am from the soil science, so I'll just tell you that suppose soil science syllabus is divided in 10 units. So now you have only 7 days to go. So it's time to the revision. Don't try to read the new things now. Just you take the revision of whatever you have studied, whatever you have read. Now it's time for the revision. Take revision, then take some good books which are objective books of your particular subject. I won't mention any kind of books because it will be, I am not going to promote any kind of books. You have gone through and you know it's very well. So take the questions, take the objective books, आप उसमें questions लगाइए. Take any particular, suppose a book, suppose you take the breeding book. So Fundan Singh has already written the objective book also. So unit wise you divide it into, suppose take first 100 questions, don't see the answers. Take blank paper, write 1 to 100 in that blank paper. Then attempt questions in the book from 1 to 100. Write down the answers and then go to the answers and check that how many questions you have corrected without seeing. Tick mark the wrong questions and then revise them. Likewise, take revisions as much as you can. This will helpful for you. If otherwise, if you are going to read the new things during this period, it will very difficult for you to remember the things which you have already studied, and this is. Then someone has written that food that's better homemade. Okay, so yeah, those who are living in hostel, their mess will arrange the breakfast for them, and because it's a winter time, so won't much be thirsty. But if possible, then keep a water bottle with you. Also take light food, don't take heavy food otherwise, because the timing with those who have the morning time or those who have afternoon time, you will feel sleepy. So take light food, possible take juice and fruits, and be पेशेंस. आप आराम से एग्जाम में अटेम्प्ट करिए. देर इज़ नो नीड टू गो कि आपको कुछ डर लग रहा है. इट्स हैपन, इट्स अ ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी. मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. इवन मैं सिविल सर्विसेज में भी अपेयर किया एंड ARS में आई सेलेक्टेड. तो कई बार होता है कि व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड आपके मन में सम फियर विल बी क्रिएटेड, बट प्लीज़ डोंट टेक इट. आपको देर इज़ नो नीड टू टेक एनी फियर ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन. कई बार होता है पहले 10 क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. सो प्लीज़ डोंट बी पैनिक. आप उनको छोड़ दीजिए. डोंट टेक दीज 10 क्वेश्चंस. यू गो टू द 11th, मे बी 11th to 30 or 11 to rest of the questions will be very easy for you. So don't panic, because and this time luckily ARS, so many vacancies are there. If you see the ARS, STO and SMS, more than 600 posts are there. So this is very lucky chance for you. Otherwise, during our time, very few posts were there. That in soil science, there was 11 to 12 posts were there. Then some of the subjects were there. This time, this is very lucky chance for you that each and every subject has the vacancies. Otherwise, during our time, some of the subjects, they don't have the vacancies. So take your best attempt, and wish you all the best. Good luck. If you want to ask any questions, then you can ask. And other thing is that I will wish you all the best, and I will only suggest that peacefully जाइए, आराम से एग्ज़ाम को अटेम्प्ट करिए, एंड देन क्वेश्चंस को बहुत इजीली सॉल्व करिए. डोंट टेक इट वेरी हरी. आपके पास फुल सफिशिएंट टाइम है. नाउ देर इज़ नो नीड टू फिल द OMR sheet, सो जस्ट you have to click the submit button. So there is no panic of filling the OMR sheet. sometime हमारे टाइम पे क्या होता था कि लोग OMR sheet फिल नहीं कर पाते थे करेक्ट तरीके से. इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. sometimes it was very difficult to fill the OMR sheet correctly. So I think this is the easy part, but until unless you won't be qualified in prelims examination, you won't be able to appear in the mains and interview. So this is your first step towards to enter the service as an ARS or STO or the SMS. So आराम से जाइए, इजी वे में जाइए, एंड अपना बेस्ट दे के आइए. seriously attempt करिए. And don't think I have met some students last week. Some of the students came to my institute for a visit, and then I asked them about the examination. So they said that, sir, this time we are appearing for the net, then we will try it next time. Please don't do that. Take each and every attempt as your last attempt. Think like this is my last attempt. After that, I'm not going to appear in an examination. If you are preparing like that, in that case, suppose you won't get final selection, but your preparation will be very high, so you will get next time. But don't think like that कि मैं अभी इस साल तो मैं ये देखूंगा कि because I just only completed my MSc, and then next year I will see that कि this year I will see that कि what kind of questions come in the examination. Then next year I will prepare with full strength, and then I will go for the examination. Please don't think like that, because thing is that Since during our time, ARS used to come regularly every year, but if you see the trends after 2015, so ARS is not coming regularly. And if you are leaving your attempt this time, you are leaving your attempt. Maybe possible that next year it won't come. Maybe 2-3 years it won't come, and obviously this time seats are more, so maybe there are chances that you won't get ARS examination in next 2-3 years. So please seriously लीजिए एग्जाम को, take it very seriously, and seriously attempt कीजिए examination को. You will be selected. Students like you, I was also like you when I was a student in IRI. But we prepared well. We took it as very seriously, and we prepared well, and then we got selected, and right now working as a senior scientist. Recently in June month, I directly selected, through the direct selection, I selected as a senior scientist. So it's good for you because once you will enter in the service, you will get chances, good chances. So don't think this year I will just appear in the exam, because it will very difficult for you if you won't get the chance next year. Then so अच्छे से attempt कीजिए, एग्ज़ाम को पीसफुली लिखिए, एंड देन जैसे ही आपका प्रीलिम्स खत्म होता है, फॉर सॉइल साइंस स्टूडेंट्स आई विल स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिसेस. First of all, I will finish the laboratory analysis, because it's very major part. Analysis is also one of the major part in each and every subject. Because I know about the NRM subjects, but natural resource management subjects like the soil science, agronomy, and then your environmental science, chemicals, physics, like this. But maybe because I was in touch with my other friends from IRI, like genetics, plant breeding, then microbiology, plant pathology, entomology. So this is very good chance for you to get selected in ARS examination. So prepare well. Now just go for the revision, nothing else. Again, I am saying that please don't read anything new. Just read whatever you have till now you have studied, till now you have read. Now you go for the revision, repeated revisions. And another thing is that I will suggest, please don't take any notes for the last moment. I have seen many students, even in civil services also, I have seen many of my friends, those who used to take the books till the last minute of when you are entering in the, don't do that. Peacefully you go. I'll suggest it. It's really, I'm telling, and I'm telling you my example. Suppose it's really, I'm telling you my example. Recently, last year, I appeared in the direct selection senior scientist interview, and 2-3 of my friends, they also appeared. But because I tried to be captured the things till last minute. Even my name starts from A, so I was the first candidate to appear in the interview. I used to read, and then when I entered into interview in one of the institute, I entered into the interview board, and I was not able to give the answers because it was very, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी चीजें वो हो गई कि ये मैं क्या आंसर दूँ. So peacefully जाइए. Don't try to read things till last minute. आपको you should be confident about your preparation. जो आपने आज तक पढ़ा है, you should be confident about your preparation. You have done very well according to you. And आपसे ज़्यादा कोई नहीं जानता कि कितनी तैयारी आपने की है. That's your choice. So seriously तैयारी कीजिए. Still you have 1 week. खूब रिवीजन कीजिए, बार बार रिवीजन कीजिए, जो नोट्स बनाए हैं उनको रिवाइज कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में बैठ करके, अगर पॉसिबल तो 2-3 फ्रेंड्स एक साथ बैठिए. लाइक इफ आई विल टेल यू अबाउट माई सेल्फ, तो जब मैं ARS लिखा था तो आई यूज टू सिट विद माई जूनियर्स फ्रॉम IRI, and I was in Hemant hostel, and we used to sit in the library of IARI with 2-3 of my juniors, very good juniors. They also joined the ARS, like the Marvin Nogia. Then Ramesh, he also joined the ARS. Later on, he selected in civil services and right now working as an IPS. So we used to sit in 4-5 groups, and then we used to discuss about the topics. Suppose Ramesh will discuss about the soil biology, I will discuss about the soil physics, and then Mavid used to discuss about the soil pedology. Like these things, we used to discuss the things with our friends. So when you are discussing the subject with your own subject friends, it will be very helpful for you to remember the things. So try to make a very healthy group of your friends, those who are seriously preparing for the examination. So it's really good, and nothing else I want to say. So at the last, I will tell again 2-3 things, that divide your paper in four parts. First will be the most easiest part, second will be easy part, third will be little bit difficult, and last one be the most difficult. After attempting these 4 parts, you see that how many questions you have attempted, and if you are not sure about any question, that please don't attempt the questions which you are not sure about them. Suppose you are not 50-50 questions, if you are sure about the 50-50, then you attempt. But please, if you are not sure about any questions that I am not able, please don't attempt. Just not try to attempt the 100% questions. Otherwise, it will be negative marks, and it will be very difficult for you to get qualified through the prelims examination. So wish you all the best, and again I will come live before 1 or 2 days of your examination. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Any soil science student, those who are seeing, they can ask directly questions. I have my mobile number and email IDs in my videos in Rajalwal Academy. So you can directly ask the questions. There is no problem. I'll give the answers, and after your prelims examination, we'll start a series of question answer writings. We'll start specific topics, because I have connected with some of the students. So they used to tell me that, sir, like IRI, we are not fortunate that soil biology, sometimes physical chemistry, these subjects are not very well and teach in the universities. So after your prelims examination, I will try to cover these subjects. First we will try to cover the soil biology and then physical chemistry. Likewise, students, those who are not from IRI, if you have good friends in IRI, please connect with them so that you can get the specific notes, or when you are, if it is possible, those who are those like during our days, if I tell you about the GRF examination, during our days, students from BCKV and from South India mostly, they used to come to IRI and they prepared about GRF examination. So if it is possible, if you are not doing, suppose somebody is not doing any PhD examination, so just he has passed out the MSc and he is preparing for MSc ARS examination. So you can come to IRI and you can stay with your friends and prepare for the mains examination. Likewise, other students, if it is not possible for you to come to New Delhi, please connect with your friends from IRI. Try to discuss the topic with them. And because please don't think that I am from IRI, so I am talking about IRI. It's really the environment we get in IRI. It's not possible. I have not seen any other places. So connect with your friends from IRI and then prepare well. And I wish you all the best. So this is about your examination. So appear with your full confidence, peaceful mind. Wish you all the best. Good luck. Thank you.